everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and today we're talking about a topic that's all too relevant this time of year, winter skincare. Winter can be harsh on your skin, but with a few mindful steps, you can keep your skin hydrated and glowing all season long. We'll cover some essential tips for taking care of your skin during winter, and even a simple DIY facial mist recipe to boost hydration throughout the day. So let's get started. Winter's chill can really leave your skin feeling dry, tight, and uncomfortable. The combination of cold air, indoor heating, and reduced humidity can wreak havoc on your skin's natural moisture barrier. But don't worry, we've got some great tips to help you protect your skin from winter dryness. Tip number 1, switch to a gentle cleanser. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it feeling even drier. Instead, opt for a hydrating, sulfate-free cleanser that cleans without making your skin feel tight or dry. Next up, layer your moisturizers. Start with a hydrating serum or essence, and then lock in the moisture with a rich cream or oil-based moisturizer. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and natural oils such as jojoba or almond oil for the best results. Tip number 3, use a humidifier. Indoor heating can dry out the air in your home, which in turn can dry out your skin. Using a humidifier helps maintain moisture in the air, preventing your skin from becoming parched. Tip 4, stay hydrated. Hydration starts from within, so drink plenty of water, and include water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and soups in your diet. And don't forget to protect your skin outdoors. Always wear a scarf or face covering when heading out in harsh weather. Oh, and don't forget sunscreen. UV rays can still damage your skin in winter. Finally, incorporate a hydrating facial mist into your routine. A facial mist can provide a refreshing burst of moisture throughout the day. And speaking of facial mists, I have a simple DIY recipe for you to try. This DIY hydrating facial mist with aloe and glycerin is perfect for soothing and hydrating dry, winter-weary skin. Aloe vera provides a cooling, moisturizing effect, while glycerin acts as a humectant, drawing moisture into the skin. Here's what you'll need. 1/4 cup of pure aloe vera gel, 1/4 cup of distilled water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and 3 to 5 drops of lavender or rose essential oil for a calming scent. And of course, a small spray bottle. To make the mist, simply combine the aloe vera gel, distilled water, and vegetable glycerin in a small bowl and mix well. Add the essential oil if you're using it and stir until fully blended. Pour the mixture into a clean spray bottle using a funnel and shake gently before each use. To use the mist, spritz it onto your face whenever your skin feels dry or tight. You can also use it after cleansing as a toner or to refresh your makeup during the day. Winter skincare doesn't have to be complicated. By adopting a few simple habits and incorporating hydrating products like the aloe and glycerin facial mist, you can keep your skin soft, supple, and radiant all season long. And if you're ready to dive deeper into winter skincare, I have just the thing for you. Join my hands-on workshop, Radiance and Ritual, Skincare, Self-Care, and Seasonal Renewal. This workshop is designed to help you thrive this winter by embracing self-care rituals that leave your skin glowing and your spirit nurtured. Check the show notes for the registration link. That's all for today's episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned in today's episode. Until next time, stay warm and take care of your skin.